Lexus.
Yeah, I didn't go last year. I went to this drive.
So, are you excited? Yeah. We're at the Hot July Nights car show, and tonight is the rally. We're driving out to Canham Lake and all these beautiful cars. Gentlemen, start your engines, and hopefully they all start. Well, it's Saturday of the car show, and everyone's just getting ready to do the poker run. We're doing a 113 or 103 kilometer loop today. There are some amazing, amazing vehicles here. Look at some of these vehicles. So cool. Are you having fun, Curtis? Don't run over the little car in front of us with a U-Haul.
Yeah, we got a U-Haul mixed in with one solid street rods and other cars.
So we're on the poker run, and it's a lot of fun. There's 5 stops. Yeah.
6.
4 stops.
6. 5.
Oh, sorry. 5 stops.
We apparently can't count.
We can. We play a lot of poker. Yeah, so we're on the poker run. We've gone out to 83 Mile and come into Green Lake, and now we're heading back to Inner Lakes, and then we finish up at the Iron Horse Pub. But I was just saying to Curtis, like, I was very hesitant to come to a car show, but I'm actually enjoying myself. I could see doing this.
I've been to a lot of car shows, but never was in a car show.
No.
Never participated in the fun part. Met some great people already.
Yeah.
Car
Yeah.
people. Right?
It's been a lot of fun. Curtis has been drooling over the cars, and I've been drooling over the trucks.
Muscle cars. A lot of beautiful muscle cars and street rods.
Yeah. We're meeting a lot of people, and now we have to try to remember everyone's names that we've met.
Yeah,
We need name tags.
Met a lot of dogs.
Met a lot of dogs.
Yeah.
And we're going to a dance tonight, and we haven't been to a dance in about 20 years.
Yeah.
So,
I can't dance.
yeah, I don't think my hips remember how. So, that's fun.
Here, Debbie, all these cars, and what is she looking at? Looking at a truck. Truck girl. Beautiful Nova SS beside her, and she's looking at a truck. Oh, she's looking at a Nova. Oh, there she goes. So this is before the people come. This is just car owners wandering around. This thing is full from 1st and it's going all the way past 4th now. Some amazing vehicles here.
No, it has to.
So sadly, Elsie is going back in her little home, her little cave, out of the fly ash that's flying and landing everywhere, all the smoke. But she'll be happy and safe in here. So, being put away. So, here we go. So after a weekend of fun and car show, hanging around with car people, met some incredible people. We really did. I've had a lot of amazing cars, but I've never put anything ever in a car show. Gone to tons of car shows, never put anything in one. It was wonderful meeting car people, talking cars. This is such a different car from what I had before, but car people are car people. So it's nice when you meet people like that and you can talk cars. You appreciate what they have, they appreciate what you have. It was a fun weekend. Again, I didn't really know what to expect. We didn't know what to expect, but it was a lot of fun. Enjoyed it. Debbie enjoyed it too, which I didn't think she would. I honestly thought she was just doing this for me, kind of like our air museums and car museums and those things that we've gone on our holidays. But she enjoyed it. Loved meeting the people we met. Loved catching up with some of the people that we caught up with. So it was a good time. Do it again for sure.